Telehealth changed where care happens. EMR integration changes how care happens. 76% of hospitals were already using telehealth before COVID. Today, it's no longer a competitive advantage, it's the standard, because virtual care should never mean disconnected care. But for many practices, that's exactly what happens. Another platform, another login, another workflow. What should feel seamless ends up slowing everyone down. Now, imagine telehealth built directly into your EMR. Appointments become virtual visits. Patient records update in real time. Clinical notes stay connected. Remote patient monitoring continues beyond the visit, and billing follows the same workflow. No switching between systems, no duplicate documentation, just one connected experience for providers, for staff, and for every patient. Want to see how it works? Read our latest blog, or book a personalized demo with our experts today.